Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use Apple Pay. To begin, open the Wallet app on your iPhone and tap the plus sign to add a new card. You can use your camera to scan your card details or enter them manually. Follow the steps to verify your card with your bank. Remember, for enhanced security, always have a passcode, Face ID, or Touch ID set up on your device. This ensures your payment information is protected. Making a payment in a store is quick and easy. With your iPhone, simply double-click the side button on newer models or the home button on older ones to bring up your default card. Authenticate your purchase using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. Then, hold the top of your iPhone near the contactless reader. For Apple Watch, double-click the side button and hold the watch face near the terminal. You will feel a gentle tap when the payment is complete. Apple Pay isn't just for in-store shopping. It's also incredibly convenient for online and in-app purchases. When you're checking out, simply look for the Apple Pay button. Tap it, and then review your billing, shipping, and contact information to ensure everything is correct. Finally, authenticate the payment using Face ID, Touch ID, or your device passcode. This secure method means your actual card numbers are never shared with the merchant, adding an extra layer of protection. One of the biggest advantages of Apple Pay is its robust security. Your actual card numbers are never stored on your device or on Apple servers, nor are they shared with merchants. Instead, each transaction uses a unique, encrypted device account number. This means your financial information is highly protected. Beyond security, Apple Pay offers incredible convenience, allowing for faster checkouts and reducing the need to carry multiple physical cards. It truly simplifies your payment experience.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.